Good evening, sir. I am Hossein from Mechanical Engineering. I am conducting a seminar on high-speed machining under the guidance of Chakrasali, sir. Here contains history of high-speed machining, comparison between conventional and high-speed machining, machining details, advantage and disadvantage, application area of HSM, conclusion, reference. History of HSM. First tries were made in early 20s on the past century. HSM is a powerful machining method that combines high feed rates with high spindle speeds with specific tools and specific tool motion. Next here comes high speed machining leads accuracy, efficiency, reducing machining time, quality of workpiece, decreased cost. Comparison between conventional and high speed machining. In conventional machining, the contact time between tool and work is large. Contact time in HSM is short. Less accurate workpiece in conventional machining, more accurate workpiece in high speed machining. Cutting force is large in conventional, cutting force is low in HSM. Poor surface finish, good surface finish in HSM. Material removal rate is low in conventional machining. Material removal rate is high in high speed machining. Cutting fluid is required. Cutting fluid is not required in HSM. Here comes a comparison between HSM and EDM. In HSM, material removal rate is high. In EDM, material removal rate is low. Dimensional tolerance is 0.02 mm. In EDM, dimensional tolerance is 0.1 to 0.2 mm. In HSM, there is no need of making cutting tool occur according to the counter to be machined. In EDM, cutting tool has to be made according to the counter to be machined. Machine tool available. Next here comes advantage and disadvantage of HSM. High material removal rate, high surface finish, increased productivity, possibility of machining of very thin walls, reduction in time, low cutting force, cutting tool and workpiece temperature are kept low, connection time between the cutting edge and workpiece is short. It eliminates the need of coolant, reduction of production process. And the disadvantage of HSM is need for expensive and special machine tools with advanced spindle and controllers, expensive toolware, good work and process planning necessary. It can be difficult to find the requirement advanced staff. Applications of HSM. The HSM is used in high metal, steel and cast iron. Characteristics of high surface quality, precision machining special components, machining of thin walled components, vibration free machining of difficult components, distancing free machining color workpiece. Here comes the conclusion of HSM.
HSM is not simply high cutting speed, it should be regarded as a process where the operations are performed with very specific methods and precision equipment. HSM is not necessarily high spindle speed machining. Many HSM applications are performed with moderate spindle speeds and large size cutters. HSM is performed in finishing in hardened steel with high speed and high feeds. HSM is high productive machining in small sized components, in roughing to finish, and in finishing to super finishing in components of all size. Here HSM is very important nowadays. So HSM is very largely used machining.